Gates open that up and racing. Lively Dude draws for your lead, running on the outside. Easy Lover, Elusive Cat, moving up by the release. Musashi, then next in line is entry number 3, Fields of Gold, moving up by the release. The Chairman, past the 900 meters post. Lively Dude in command by about 4 lengths. Easy Lover is on the outside. Musashi is by the rail third. Racing in fourth, the Chairman, then followed by Elusive Cat, Fields of Gold, while Len is running at the tail of the field by about 13 lengths to work out as they race at the last 450 with Lively Dude still leading the field. Easy Lover getting closer on the outside, racing in third by the release, the Chairman, and down the stretch they come. Lively Dude still leading the field. Easy Lover is on the outside, the Chairman by the rail. Musashi, Elusive Cat, Fields of Gold, and Len. And with the last 75 meters, Lively Dude still leading the field. Easy Lover, and finally close. Easy Lover and Lively Dude. Then comes the Chairman, Elusive Cat, Musashi, Fields of Gold, and Len.